Hey there, welcome to LSAT Demon Daily. I'm Ben Olson, that's Nathan Fox. Together we're the founders of LSATdemon.com and our weekly podcast, Thinking LSAT. We have an email here from Aury. How would you say that?
Aury.
Aury, okay.
Yeah, Aury. A-U-R-Y, Aury.
Okay.
Hi, that's my guess. Hi, friends at the Demon. I have a question for you regarding where to apply. I love the approach of trying not to pay for law school, semicolon. I don't come from a lawyering family, so I had no idea that was really an option, comma, besides standard avenues of taking loans and applying for outside scholarships. I mean, even if you do come from a lawyering family, most lawyers did not follow our advice and get a scholarship to law school. Your mom or dad, who's a lawyer, might be like, oh no, everybody pays tuition, but they just don't know because they went to law school 30 years ago and they don't have any idea what game we're playing today.
Yeah, the game has changed. The system is broken. And so now you need to play it in a different way.
Yeah. Do you think it would be a good approach to use the Demon Scholarship Calculator to target which law schools to apply to, all other things being equal? Yes, that's exactly what we recommend. That's lsatdemon.com/scholarships. It's not a calculator, it's an estimator. But that can give you a really good idea of what schools to apply to.
Mm-hmm.
I've heard you guys talk about going to the best school you can attend for free. But in order to do that, you have to know which to apply to where you would get money, right? Let me know what y'all think. Thanks. All the best, Aury.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So you need to go to the estimator and put in your GPA, your UGPA, your undergraduate GPA, and then your likely LSAT score or a score that you think you can get, and see what it takes to go for free to schools that you want to attend.
Yeah, I mean, if you're already prepping, put your score that you're at right now. Like, what's your most recent practice test score? And then see what kinds of offers the estimator will spit out for you. Then, put in 10 more points or 15 or 20 more points. Or sometimes we see people improve by 25 or 30 more points. But
it's astronomically different.
It's crazy.
So
it's
see what
wild.
happens.
I mean,
yeah.
Oh my God. If you put in even 15 points of improvement, you're guaranteed to see just like dramatic shifts. I mean, I bet if you put in 15 more points, you're going to see like 50 schools that go from no offer whatsoever all the way up to full ride with 15 more LSAT points. So yeah, play around with the estimator to start to get a sense of where you might want to apply. I guess my other advice would be don't worry too much about where you're going to apply right now because you're still studying for the LSAT. You don't know what your real upside actually is.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, you might be like, well, I'm at 145 right now, so let me put 160. Yeah, but once you get prepping, how do you know you're not going to make it to 165, 170? And at that point, it's another entirely new world of schools that you should be really targeting. Thanks for writing in, Aury.
Yeah. Email daily at lsatdemon.com if you'd like to ask us a question or share some LSAT or law school admissions news. Thanks for listening.